Welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will show you how to enable motion blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro using After Effects, even if you don't know how to use After Effects. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! In this sequence we have a graphic animation. Text and shape are clear during movement. Because of this, the animation looks unnatural. This is the text. It moves from left to right. And this is the shape. It moves from top to bottom. We need to apply a motion blur effect to make the animation more realistic. Premiere does not have the motion blur effect. It is possible to simulate it manually, as we saw in the previous tutorial. If you have After Effects installed, you can add the effect in a few simple steps. Right-click while pointing the mouse at the essential graphic element. Select Replace with After Effects Composition. After Effects will open, give the project a name, save the project. This is a composition. Composition is like a nested sequence in Premiere Pro. Double-click on the composition. Here are our two levels, the text layer and the shape layer. Their properties are animated. Here you will find the motion blur option. Enable motion blur in the text layer. The text layer is now blurred during motion. Enable motion blur in the shape layer as well. Perfect. Now the movement seems natural. Save the project to transfer the information to Premiere Pro. Go back to Premiere Pro. The information is updated. Without knowing how to use After Effects, you were able to enable the motion blur effect in Premiere Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.